And this device is Google EDLE certificated, which means we have pre-installed many Google applications for you, such as Google Chrome, Google Drive, Google Classroom. And if you want to use some other applications such as Microsoft Documents, Microsoft Slide, you can download it by Google Play Store. Okay, let's go to the whiteboard, the most useful application in class. So here, firstly, we have many kinds of points. And you can change the color of it or thickness. Let's try other different kind of points. And the thickness will adjust according the time you stay on the screen. If you want to erase any content, just use your palm. Put your palm on the screen and to erase it. Or if you make this whiteboard too messy, you can click on here, more, and click on clear all. And also, you can adjust the size of the eraser. Next, we have many useful teaching tools such as rulers. We have these kinds of rulers. For example, by using this one, you can draw a straight line and you can see the length of it. It's around 11 centimeters. And you can adjust the size of the ruler. You can rotate it. But you cannot erase the ruler. You have to click on here to cancel it. And we also have many smart shapes. You can adjust the thickness or color of the frame. Like this. And you can flip the shape. And you can clone it. Similar to the ruler, you cannot erase it. You have to click on delete. Nextly, we have a table over here. By using this table, the size of the table will be automatically changed according to the content you write on it. Just like this. The next one is map. You can make a mind map according to your needs. Then let's introduce to sticky notes. You have to spell it. And you can change the color of the sticky note. When you finish the sticky notes, it will automatically go to the right top of the whiteboard. And this one is like another sticky notes. We call it a grid. You can also write something on it. We also have a planet simulation. You can show the universe to your student. And we also developed a formula. You can write any formulas in standard format. And you can change the color of it. And if you want to edit it, you can click on edit. Like this, to clearly show it to your students. And then we have integrated many interesting teaching resources, like activities. These are examples of the activities which can engage your student to participate in class and make your class more interesting. What a student. I am a student. You are great. He is playing football. Okay, let's check. It's just like this. And if you want to search some other activities, you can log in here and download it by free. If you already write something on the whiteboard, if you want to zoom in or zoom out, just use your fingers to zoom in and zoom out. And we don't have, and you can add pages as you want. The button is here. Add. You can see here, now we have 2 pages and we are in the second page. Add, and we can go to previous one. And when you finish your drawing on whiteboard, you can share it by QR code. We have 2 ways to share it by QR code. The first one is local network, which means you have to make your big screen and your devices are in the same local network. Or you can use wide network. Your students can use their phone to scan this QR code to get the PDF version of your page of drawing. And if you want to save it, you can go to cloud. You can see over here. You can directly save the whiteboard to Google Drive, to OneDrive, or Betello. Betello is our whiteboard name. And here is a menu. You can create a new whiteboard or open any saved whiteboard. You can save the whiteboard. You can save the whiteboard as other format, such as the image version, PDF version, SVG version, and IWB version. But to be noted, if you save the whiteboard into these versions of documents, you will cannot edit the whiteboard anymore. You have to create a new whiteboard, and you can change the theme of whiteboard. You can change the background color. And this is the settings of this whiteboard. You can see we have two eraser mode. Now I'm using eraser, which means I can use your palm to erase the content. And the other one is the erase selection. Let's try it. I can select any areas to erase. The second setting is use multi-finger. The first setting is to write. The second one is to zoom or move the canvas. Now we are using the two mood mode. Like I can use multiple fingers to write at the same time. Like this. We supported up to 55 fingers simultaneously. Let's try another mode. We can use multiple fingers to select the object and move it or zoom it. And this one is draw circle to select. When you open up this function, you can select any areas by like this. If you don't open up this function, you will only draw something. That's the difference. And we have integrated an ambient light sensor, which means the brightness of the whiteboard can be adjusted automatically according to the current light conditions. This is automatic brightness. This is the handwriting recognition languages, which means you can change your writing into a standard format. Let's try it. You can select the object and click on here, Smart Write. That's it. And the last one is translation languages. We have support over 30 languages to translation. and also over 30 languages for handwriting recognition. Let's try it. You have to transfer your writing into standard format and then translate it. Let's translate it into Mandarin. You can see over here to see the result of translation. Okay, that's basically about the function of our whiteboard. Nextly, let's go to the PowerPoint. Why install any other applications in Google Play Store, such as Microsoft applications? Let's try Microsoft PowerPoint, because I know PowerPoint is one of the most commonly used, you can present the PowerPoint to your students, and you can make notes or edit the PowerPoint, and you can share it. Wirelessly. Then let's go to another part. Wireless screen casting. We have many methods for screen casting, such as Mirrorcast, such as Chromecast, such as AirPlay, and our screen share applications. Let's try it, and I will show the difference. This application is battery share for casting screen. Want to use the battery share application? You have to make sure the device you want to cut the screen has to be under the safe network of your big screen. And this is a code for screen sharing. Let's put it. Okay, now we are connected, and we can cast the screen. Imagine if you are a teacher and you can use your laptop or even your mobile phone to cast the PowerPoint to the big screen and show it to your students. The benefit of this method of screen casting is we have touchback function, which means you can have touch function on it and edit the content on your laptop.